See, Allie's room is like a memorial to the zebra, okay? The zebras have to be the most sexiest animal that you've ever seen in your entire life. They look beautiful as flowers. They look beautiful, just little patches of tape stuck on the wall. Look at this. Can I show you something? No. We have the zebra here. And you see that? Yeah, that's nice right inside there. That's a nice zebra pussy. I just love zebra pussy. I just, if I ever seen a zebra, like I was in Africa or something, and I came up and I was like, hey zebra, they'd be like, hey, and I just have to have them lick on my penis for a minute, okay? Are you videotaping me talking about zebras? Why are you videotaping me talking about zebras? You're so crazy. Now, you're probably gonna post that shit on YouTube or